Welcome back, everyone. Today we are diving into IPTV Smarters for Firestick. First off, let's talk about why you need IPTV Smarters on your Firestick. This app manages your IPTV services, making your streaming experience seamless and enjoyable. To get started, let's ensure your Firestick is connected to the internet. Now, from the main menu, locate the search option at the top left corner. Type in Downloader, as it is essential for installing third-party applications. Download and install the Downloader app from the search results to proceed. Once installed, open the Downloader app to start the downloading process. In the URL field, type the link to download IPTV Smarters and hit the Go button. After the download completes, install the IPTV Smarters app by following the prompts. Once installed, you can find the app on your home screen. Open it to start. Don't forget to input your IPTV service details to access your channels. And that's how you easily download IPTV Smarters on your Firestick. Now let's take a moment to mention our sponsor, .2tv.store. They provide the best IPTV service with countless channels at an affordable price. Check out their website for the latest offers and subscription plans today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips.